Okay, welcome to Invision. This is a tool that allows you to quickly put together some mock-ups. So that basically you can take images that you make in a program such as Sketch and turn them into click-through prototypes that you can show users get their feedback. So I'm going to give you a little example of how to do this. So first off, you sign in, and then you click on this little button over here, and we can create a new project. I've been under the free plan for a long time, and normally you can only have a couple projects, so I normally delete my old projects and add new ones. So we can go ahead and create a prototype, create a freehand, create a new board. I suggest you just focus on the prototype. So we go ahead and we can create a prototype, and I'm just going to say test. Now we have the test prototype, and this is where you just drag and drop your images into the test prototype. I already have one that is set up, so I'm going to go ahead and move on over to it. And so here you can see some very simple wireframes. And what you do is you go ahead and click into here. So this is like a nice little wireframe that I made. And if you notice at the bottom of the screen, there is the comment view, and then there's also the build mode. This allows you to actually kind of build the website. So you can see here, I already have built things, but basically these are things where you're making parts of the website or parts of the image into what's called hotspots or clickable regions that can take you to another image or another page. So what you do is, if there's a button here, I would drag a box over it, and then I would select which page is the destination. You can go either backwards, or you can go to different relative screens, or you can go to specific screens that you logged in or that you uploaded. Excuse me. Next, you can see here is you just save that and it would work. Next, you would see here is we have so this is an example of a link that is working. It's on click, it takes us to the login screen, and it's what's called included in a hotspot template. So that means that you can create a template. So I can create a new template over here, and then I can add this to it. And that means that when I use that template on another page, it would auto add that same button with the same functionality onto the page. So you can see here, this page has one template activated. Now, so right now, if I'm clicking with my mouse, it actually makes a button. But I want to go back to preview mode so I can actually get around here. And so now you can see I can no longer, if I click here, nothing happens except I can see the hotspot areas. But if I click on login, it actually takes me to that page. A nice little shortcut is that you can hold down Shift and click on something as a way of as using the button. So instead of having to click on preview and then back to build mode, you can quickly navigate around your site. And so, for example, I want to add this as a button, and I want to say it goes to the employer experience page, and I don't want it to be in a template, and then I'm done. And then the next thing you do is you go ahead and click on share once you're all done, and you can go ahead and create a public share link. It's already copied in my clipboard, and share with your friends. The best way I've seen about doing this is to go ahead and watch your friends as they do it, and kind of get their feedback that way. They can also write comments on it saying I don't understand this, and you will get notified. So that's it. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions.